All right, number one, it says suppose x lies in the interval 5 to 7 with x not equal to 6. We're going to find the smallest possible value of delta such that the inequality 0 less than the absolute value of x minus 6, which is less than delta, is true for all possible values of x. So it tells us up front that x is in the interval 5 to 7. Okay, so we're picking a number here, and we want to find the value of delta so that when we do x minus 6, we are always going to be less than this value of delta. And so the easiest thing to kind of do, we have this symmetric interval, is use the extreme endpoints. Even though we can't go all the way to the endpoints with the parentheses, it lets us know that we'll at least be within the range if we use the extremes. So if you look at 5, we can say absolute value of 5 minus 6 and see what we get. And we also do the same thing, absolute value of 7 minus 6. And we check out these two extremes. So when we do 5 minus 6, that gives us a negative 1. Absolute value of that will give us 1. So if we go all the way to 5, which again we can't go all the way to 5, but we'll be within 1 unit of 6 on the left side. And if we go to the right side, 7 minus 6, that gives us a positive 1. The absolute value of 1 is 1. So in this case, it seems the ideal value for delta would be 1. So we'll use 1. Okay, number 2, similar. It says f of x this time lies in the interval 2 to 12. So this is the y coordinate, and we want to find the smallest value of epsilon such that f of x minus 7 is less than epsilon. So again, we're just trying to trap this epsilon within the range so that we stay less than that value. And again, we're using the interval 2 to 12. So you can just refer to that. And again, I'll just use the two extremes so that f of x, which is our y value now, I'll just replacing f of x with these two extreme y values, f of x minus 7, keeping that less than epsilon. So again, use the two extremes. I will say 2 minus 7, find the absolute value, and then I will also do 12 minus 7. So using the two extremes, 2 minus 7 will give us a negative 5. Absolute value of negative 5 gives us a positive 5. And if we do 12 minus 7, we get a positive 5. And that still gives us a positive 5. So if we go all the way to the extremes, the biggest we get is 5. And if we pick anything in between there, it's always guaranteed to be less than 5, which is what we're told. So in this case, epsilon has to be less than, or sorry, this expression has to be less than 5. So epsilon will be 5.